Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets of a healthy and balanced life. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most incredible drinks for your health, green tea. Powerful antioxidants. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals and help prevent premature skin aging and various diseases. Aids weight loss. Drinking green tea regularly can boost your metabolism, helping to burn fat and contribute to weight loss. Improves heart health. The compounds present in green tea can reduce bad cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease. Increases energy and focus. Thanks to the presence of caffeine and L-theanine, green tea can provide a sustainable energy boost and improve concentration. Strengthens the immune system. The antioxidants present in green tea can strengthen the immune system, helping the body to fight infection and disease. Promotes oral health. Green tea has antibacterial properties that can help prevent cavities and improve gum health. Relieves stress. The presence of L-theanine in green tea has relaxing effects that can reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Improves digestion. Drinking green tea after meals can aid digestion, preventing problems such as bloating and indigestion. Fights premature aging. The antioxidants in green tea help neutralize the effects of free radicals, keeping skin young and healthy. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Studies show that regular consumption of green tea can help control blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Detoxifies the body. Green tea is known for its detoxifying properties that help eliminate toxins from the body, promoting optimal health. Helps with longevity. With all these benefits combined, it's no surprise that green tea is associated with a longer, healthier life. And if you want to enjoy all these benefits in a convenient and potent form, I recommend Matcha Slim. Made with the finest Japanese matcha, Matcha Slim offers all the benefits of green tea in a concentrated, easy-to-use form. Simply mix with hot or cold water for an instant health and vitality boost. Try Matcha Slim today and take your health to the next level. The link to the official website is in the description of this video. So, let's raise our cups to celebrate the incredible benefits of green tea. Remember to include this wonderful drink in your daily routine and enjoy a life full of health and vitality. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. See you next time.